welcome to my channel, Everything Martha Crafts and More. I know I am a horrible YouTuber. I have been away for a couple of months and I haven't even put up a little post to say, why, or, that I will continue to make videos. It's just that in a couple of months, I lost two people that I really cared about. One of them was very unexpected, a very near and dear cousin, and the other one was a good friend that was sick, but they just were like so close to each other, and I just couldn't find the energy or the desire just to put up a video. But I did make a wreath for my door, a fall wreath, and I wanted to share that with you guys. I'm so sorry. Like I said, I am a terrible YouTuber. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will be patient with me. And let me show you my new fall wreath that I just made. I hope that you like it. I used a little bit of the dusty blues and the creams instead of so much of the traditional orange. I did use some of that, but anyway, I hope that you like it, and it's good to be back. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you like the video. Take good care, guys. Bye. Here are some of the things I'm going to use to make this wreath. That is a charger plate from Dollar Tree. Everything is from Dollar Tree, you guys. A bicycle wheel wreath form. I've got these really pretty fall leaves with little beige colored pumpkins on them. I've got some ribbon, Jenga blocks, craft sticks, and let's see what I come up with. So I hope you'll join me. So I have my bicycle wheel wreath, and I actually want it to be a little bigger than this, so I'm going to use the craft sticks in order to do that. And so I'm just going to hot glue them like this. About halfway, and then just hold it until it dries. So I've glued the craft sticks all around. Now I can make my wreath look a lot larger and more substantial than if I would have left it just to be the size of the actual wreath form. I've decided that I'm going to hot glue more of these craft sticks around the edges of the other craft sticks that I already glued. So all you have to do is add a little bit of glue on the tips this way, see? And I put a little bit up here. And I just need 2 more craft sticks. And that's it. All around, see? Pretty large in size now. Look at that. Almost looks like a spider web. In the meantime, I bought these pretty fall leaves, which are like a dusty blue, really pretty. And they have these little pumpkins on them. And I bought this wheat, which, I don't know, I thought I'd give it just a little touch of the gold from here. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna start cutting off the part of the leaves. So I am going to just continue to cut the leaves with the little pumpkins. And when I'm done, the glue on the wreath form should be dry and we can continue. I did glue a piece of craft stick right there in the center on the back of the wreath form. So it goes this way. So that when I glue my centerpiece, I'm also going to put some on this side as well. So maybe I can just glue this piece now that I have it there. There we go. Trying to avoid all that glue going on my table. I think I might push you back a little bit. Maybe you can see better. I think you can see the whole wreath now. Okay, hold this down. So I've been debating whether to use this ribbon or this one, the orange or the burlap. And since the flowers are sort of dusty blue, I think the orange might brighten it up a little bit more. So I think I'm going to go with the orange. And what I want to do is, I want to go all around the edge. Of course, I'm going to have to do piece by piece because this would not go around well. So I need to cut small pieces like this and just hot glue them all around the edge of the wreath. I'll just do a couple pieces here. You don't have to use a whole bunch of glue. And I want to use a craft stick so that I don't get burned, which I do so often, just to push it down like that. And I will just keep cutting pieces. And I'll use that piece as a guide for size. Maybe I should just cut all the pieces first. That might be a good idea, to just cut them all. Let's see how many pieces. So I have one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Oh, I hope I have enough. That's 8. I'm coming to the end, guys. 2 more after this. I hope I have enough. 9. Oops, I may not have enough, but I'll make it work. You better believe it. Let's see. Oops, I think I had just enough for 2 more and a little bit extra. Awesome. Perfect. So I did have enough. Okay. I will continue gluing the ribbon on here. Make sure you use your craft stick so you do not burn yourself. Okay. There we go. Make sure also that you have your ribbon all the way to cover the back part of the craft stick so that it looks like this. Okay, you can see the little border right at the edge. That's the way you want it. Okay, so I'm going to go all around, and next I am going to glue this charger plate, this gold, bright, coppery looking charger plate to the center of the wreath form. This is a little bit heavy, so I'm going to have to use a lot of glue to secure it there. So here we go. Let's hope that this will hold it. And then to hold it right in the center. Pretty hot. Hot, hot, hot. This is hardly going to show because this will be the center of that. So it's just the little edges that are going to show. But I just love the way that gold peeks all around the main decor. It's pretty sturdy. Just holding it down a little bit longer. Next, it's time to hot glue this centerpiece. Sorry about my chair noise. That's really pretty. Bless this home. I love the cream color and the orange, and I love this dusty blue. And they sit right. And so there is some wheat all around here, so the added little touches of wheat I think will look very, very pretty. I think that this is pretty secure. Yes, it is. Okay. Now, right there. And I'll show you how that looks. Isn't that pretty? So I'm gonna continue decorating with the flowers all around, and then I will be back. And now I decided to just add a little bit of glitter to some of the flowers. And I'm gonna be using this glitter packet from Dollar Tree, along with some Mod Podge from Dollar Tree. And I'll just brush it on some of the leaves. And this is what it looks like with a little bit of the glitter and the Mod Podge on some of the leaves. I think it gave it a really nice touch. I'm gonna show you how it looks on my door now. I love the mix of the dusty blue and the orange in the background, and as you can see, I added some wheat all around, and the actual centerpiece does have some wheat as well. I just love the combination of the blue fall leaves with the blue pumpkin. I just love the fact that it's a little different and not so much of the traditional orange pumpkins. So I'm really happy with the way that it turned out, and it is all Dollar Tree items, so it was not like a whole lot of money that I had to spend. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video.